Welcome to Cluster Repairs UK. In today's repair service description video, we're focusing on the 2013 to 2022 Citroen Grand C4 Picasso and Space Tourer. If your display is experiencing issues such as black spots or marks, flickering, is missing segments, has lines across the screen, or has complete display failure, we're here to help. Here you can see a few examples of faulty instrument cluster displays. At Cluster Repairs UK, we provide a full display repair backed by a lifetime warranty, giving our customers complete peace of mind. Repairs can be booked online for mail-in service, dropped off in store, or scheduled as a while-you-wait appointment. Now, as shown, the instrument cluster has been fully repaired and the results are crystal clear, restoring a display that looks as good as new. Cluster Repairs UK have been a trusted name since 1986. With 2 UK locations and award-winning customer service, you can be confident you've chosen a premium service you can rely on. Thank you for watching. We look forward to helping with your repair soon.